You received a raise, but your wealth barely moved. The reason is usually not a lack of income. It is that the extra cash never became a repeatable system. Maya has cash in 2 banks, a brokerage account, a credit card balance, and a new car loan. Each number is visible somewhere, but she cannot see what all of them are doing to the same goal. The useful number is not salary by itself. It is the amount left after essential bills, debt obligations, taxes, and lifestyle spending. Because only that surplus can be assigned to savings, goals, or investing. Use 4 steps. Find the real surplus, automate a transfer you can sustain, connect it to a named goal, and review the plan whenever income, debt, or life changes. Maya's monthly pay rose by $900, but the new car payment, higher insurance and fuel, plus small lifestyle upgrades total $1,040. So the raise actually reduced her monthly flexibility by $140. In WealthMap, start on balance and bring cash, investments, vehicles, and liabilities into one personal balance sheet. Do not judge progress while a major account or loan is still missing. Then open cash flow. Compare income with recurring expenses, taxes, and debt payments. The goal is not to make the surplus look large. It is to find the amount that can actually repeat next month. Maya wants a $45,000 home down payment. Once the current $8,600 is assigned to that project, the remaining gap becomes visible and measurable. Starting with $50 matters because it proves the process works. When the card balance is cleared or income rises again, increase the transfer without letting the plan exceed the true surplus. $50 a month will not make anyone rich overnight. As a simple illustration, monthly contributions at 5% would grow to about $7,764 in 10 years, but actual returns can be higher, lower, or negative. A useful default is to give every future raise a rule before it arrives. This 50-30-20 example is not universal. It is a starting policy that Maya can adjust for debt cost, risk, and her life goals. Use the project field to connect balances with their purpose: emergency reserve, home, retirement, education, travel, or another goal. This prevents a single total from hiding money that is already committed. Also record the non-financial state behind the number, where Maya wants to live, how much career flexibility she needs, and what family security means. Wealth is useful only when it serves those choices. When using the agent, include the complete case: the raise, car loan, card balance, cash flow, home goal, and the need for job flexibility in 2 years. Ask it to compare scenarios and assumptions, then review the result yourself. Scroll through the detailed rows, pause on the accounts that changed, then return to the overview. This small down and up check makes the model feel like a real operating record instead of a static score. Each month, reconcile balances, confirm the real surplus, complete the automatic transfer, and update the goal date. After a raise, purchase, loan, or major life change, run the routine again immediately. Compounding depends on time, contribution, fees, taxes, and actual returns. Treat every projection as a range, not a promise, and update the model when reality changes. Start with one transfer you can repeat next month. In the next episode, we will decide whether your first $100 belongs in cash, debt reduction, an employer plan, or long-term investing.